Hi guys, in this video I will show you how to set the time duration between slides in PowerPoint presentation. But before that, if you find this video is helpful, please subscribe to my channel and give a like. Okay, how to set the time duration between slides in PowerPoint presentation. Okay, open your PowerPoint presentation and then just select the first slide. After that, go to transition, and then you see here after, just click and then choose the time, for example 2 seconds, and then you repeat this for every slide. Now I go to slide number 2, transitions, take after 2 seconds. Slides number 3, transitions, after 2 seconds, and the final slides, transitions, after and 2 seconds. And then go to the first slide again, and then start the slideshow. It's look like this. Yeah, this is what you need to do if you want to know how to set the time duration between slides in PowerPoint presentation. I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.